Hi guys, welcome. My name is Marlene, and if you want to learn how to create these beautiful tumblers, you're at the right place. I will guide you step by step, and if I miss something, I'm always here to help. As always, be safe, have fun, and let's get crafting. Okay guys, so today this is a 14-ounce stainless steel mug that I spray painted with white Rust-Oleum paint. And I'm going to use, I believe it's Teakwood from Alcohol Inks, and with a brush, one of these brushes that I believe I purchased in a pack from Michael's. We're gonna go ahead and stroke it down. And what I found with these cups is that you can't go over it on top. So, and it dries really quick, so you gotta move fast. And then the other thing is that you don't want it to drip sideways, so you want to have full control of it, or else it's gonna leave a mark. And I realized that when I added more on top of what I had already placed down, it would almost go over it and remove it. So I just went at it one time and I didn't mess with it. I might do it because this is where I was figuring that out, because it's actually my first time doing one of these. And if you can see right here, it just removes it. So it doesn't make it any darker or it doesn't make it any different. So what I did is I went ahead and did the whole cup. It's fine if I missed a couple spots. You can go over them, it's totally fine, but I felt like the less strokes that I did, the better. I felt that it would give it that wood look, where some places it was darker and some places it was lighter. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this all around the cup. Like I said, I'm only gonna give it one go, and then we'll go on to the next step. Another thing that I learned is you want to wear gloves, and you want to make sure that your surfaces that everything is covered, because you do not want to get any of this anywhere. It will stain and it will stay on your skin. I mean, you could do it. I mean, us tumbler makers, I know we have a hard time trying to keep beautiful nails on, because we work with paint, we work with clay, we work with glue, epoxy, and it's very, very difficult to try to have a nice set of nails. But yeah, you do want to wear gloves when you use any alcohol inks, and you want to make sure that the brush that you use is only used for this, and just put some trash bags or cover your area, or work outside, work somewhere where you're not going to mess up any of your nice things or your desk. It's actually really fun, once you start to make it. I mean, when you are a person that likes to create things and you see how it's like so easy, and it's so fun to see how it actually does look like wood. I mean, it's just crazy how a brush and this can just make something look so beautiful. And I mean, it's a good it's a good tumbler for a guy's gift, because I know guys don't like glitter, obviously. So on the bottom, I went ahead and I just did it in C shapes, and I just gave it a little swirl. I didn't really know what to do with it, but I was like, okay, the bottom of a log, so I'm thinking maybe swirls going around, and that's what I did. And I fixed a little bit of the edges, but again, I'm not gonna go over the rest of the cup. I'm just gonna keep working on the areas that I feel need to be covered with my first layer. Okay, well, here you see me going back and giving it another go, but as I learned, and like I said, don't waste your time. Leave it alone and just let it dry. I let it dry for a whole full day and I didn't mess with it because I've tried to spray with clear sealer and nope, it didn't work. It just messed it up. So just leave it overnight to dry, and then on the next day we're gonna go ahead and give it another go. On this one, you're gonna add to it, and you're going to see how it makes it look a little bit darker, and then you'll see where you wanted some darker spots and where you want some lighter spots as you go, or however it is you want your wood to look. Your cup to look, I'm sorry. You can always use Pinterest, as a reference guide, and then to see how much of the darkness you want it to go. But I think that if I was happy with my second layer, I left it alone at the second layer. But if you want it darker, obviously let it dry another night and then add another layer. But like I said here, you can obviously see that when I put it on, it will still clean up some areas. So I just stroked it halfway, and then I left some dark spots and then some light spots, as you can see. But you try not to brush too much on it. Just keep one stroke, two strokes, and move on to the next. Because I did notice that if I kept stroking on the same area, it just removed it. It didn't do anything different. So I just went ahead and stroked it 1, 2, 3 times, and I moved on, like right there. I didn't do anything. I just basically removed all the alcohol ink. So yeah, you just want to give it 1 or 2 goes. And I just wanted to take this little time to thank everybody who has subscribed. Remember, if you hit the like button, I can reach more people and my channel can grow. I enjoy making these cups, and I enjoy teaching you guys the little bit that I know. I'm also learning as I do things. Don't be afraid, just do them. And if you need any help, remember, you can always leave me a comment, or you can follow me on my social media and send me a private message through there. Again, I want to just thank everyone and my family and everybody who has supported me. It means a lot to me. I really do appreciate everything. I just don't know how to say it a lot of times, but I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Alright, so here I'm adding my first, I already had added my decal. It is this metallic vinyl. I will link it below, but I went ahead and added this layer of epoxy, and I believe it is the Alumilite facet. And that's it. I had no lifting. I have really good, this metallic vinyl is really good with me and not lifting. I've been lucky so far. But sometimes girls do like to, or people do like to add a layer of either polyurethane to keep it down before you add your epoxy. But I had no trouble. I actually stopped it here. As you can see, I stopped my turner, and it's okay. You can go ahead and stop your turner, make sure that your handle is fully covered with epoxy. You don't want to miss anything, and that way, it doesn't just bulk up right there and you're not able to, or you have a hard time trying to sand it down. But so I went ahead and did that. Don't forget your bottom, your butt. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more. I'll see you next time. Bye.